Hey Liana, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys read down below in today's YouTube video, I'm going to be doing an In My Feelings playlist. This video was requested from my subscribers. Before I start the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. And let's jump right into the video. So this playlist, I actually made it today. I'm not really in my feelings that much, but actually I just made it today of like songs I listen when I'm in my feelings, I guess, or that gets me in my feelings or whatever. So in my last playlist video, which was my lit playlist, you know, we had a special guest, but my mom is not here today, so it's just me. So it's on, so I don't know, I have to.
We are connected.
Period. Alright, so I'll make sure to put all the songs, all the name of the songs on the screen if you guys want to download any. And yeah, so let's jump right into the singing. I can't sing, so please don't come for me in the comment section, please, because I know I can't sing, but I'm going to sing regardless, you know, just for the fun of it.
Threw away your love letters, I finally got you out my bed. Wanna take a good time,
I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line.
and I need you to know, you don't know, and you don't know what love is. If you do get a call,
Yeah, I love this song so much, bro.
You don't need nobody else. And place for all this. This is not the place for all this. I've got to right my wrongs. Recognition's what you want, and it's something that I should know. Calling me down.
Call Drake to come home. Cups of the rose. Are you drunk right now? I'm just saying you can do. I'm just saying you can do better.
All my people been here. Your heart is hard to carry after dark. I met someone new last night.
Preach. Going bad if you had my love and I gave you all my trust.
We didn't say, but boy, we both died.
Okay, I dedicate to you throwing dirt on my own name. Only gets keep you in the front, never in the back. I don't know, I'm making so much noise. Like I don't want them to kick me out of my apartment. I hate all the things you tried, just keep it private. Don't say anything.
Let me tell you, I got seats for these other boys sleeping on them, boy, I'm sleeping.
Doesn't make sense now.
Look like, do you wanna hang right now? East side, and you know I'm with the game right now. All she ever says,
Come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. This what happens when I think about it.
everywhere she go, they playing my songs, that's why.
Just give me all of you and shit. Okay. What you say? No, don't play well, don't be dishonest. Want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let it up. I am on a whole nother level. Hit that in the head with the shovel. Whoa. If you know, you know. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Ooh. We haven't talked about some more comes to.
You should call in the word if that ain't too much to
Got to pour you up a drink and we can burn. So come through, come through, come through. Just me, just me.
Need the pain, but I let her feel the pain.
No waiting, wait to wait. What my song, babe? What my song? Where is my song? God. Oh my God. Guys, it hits. Just wait for it. Settle down, settle down. Oh! Listen to the man, just listen. Yeah. Settle down, settle down, settle down.
I guess it's nothing that I can't do
In the city, do they know you with me?
Maybe I just don't got what you need. Are you feeling true?
We're doing one more song.
Hey.
Taking out already. Even if you gotta leave somebody, we'll try to come back when you're famous.
I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
You'll try to come back when you're famous. Back around.
And like guns with the ink in, getting under my skin. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shit
Around. Period. Let them know. This is the end of this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you guys want part 2, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. And well, I can't really follow Snapchat. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram and me on Snapchat. I'll make sure to put it on the screen somewhere. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.